is ready for grout. Just got to clean it up a little bit. So you can't see the linear drain because it's under the cardboard here. So it's a linear drain, so I have a flat pitch going from here down to about here, and then it comes back the other way. From that wall comes back the other way a little bit, so that all the water goes down the drain. This tile is only 3 inches. I have, because this is a little over 6 feet from there to the drain, is a little over 6 feet. I have a fall of 1.5 inches. So what does that mean? So because this tile's only 3 inches, I'm going to start probably with like a half a tile there and end up with a full tile down here. So you're going to see that sliver cut growing. So to avoid that, what you can do is you can do a soldier course. So this is a soldier course. You stand the tile on end and you cut it to fit that way. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm cutting the tile, a soldier course in here. And I'll show you how to do the easiest way to get that angle and get it right without having to cut the same tile multiple times. It's actually pretty easy, but you do need a laser level to be able to do it that way. So because I was putting the soldier course in here, I was able to do a layout so I get a full tile. My last horizontal tile is full, and the tile on the ceiling is full. So now I got a full tile over here at the bench, full tile at the bench over there, and so it gives you options that you wouldn't otherwise have with such a narrow tile. So a soldier course or soldier roll can solve a lot of layout problems that otherwise would give you sliver cuts everywhere. This way you don't get those sliver cuts, and you can optimize the layout so you get full tiles everywhere. So I'll put these tiles in, and then I got to roll around obviously under the bench, come around over here under there, and I got to put, this row's already in here, so let me get to installing this here. Okay, so I got these all cemented in, and to get this in, because this is on an angle that goes down like this, the easiest way to do it is get a laser level, set it at the exact height that you need it to be. So that's going to allow for a little grout line on the bottom and your grout line between the tiles. So this tile has to fit on here like this, so you have to cut it. So the easiest way to measure this is get that tile, turn it upside down, like that. So now the tile, you mark this line here, you mark this line here, and you bring your mark, around to the front. And that's your angle. But to expedite that, instead of just doing one, so we got this one here. Let's pitch there. Get it from one, 2, 3, 4. Use the tile to mark across all 4 of those. Use a laser line to guide you. Just see the ridge just on the edge of that tile. flat. Go cut those. Okay, so I cut those. So now, nice even cut. And fit exactly that. Okay, so that's the soldier course. All the way around, underneath. Into the curb. So this shower here is ready for Grabo. Just got to clean it up a little bit.